Alright, freshman multimedia students. Yesterday, we were introduced to a new tool for altering photos and pictures that we find on the internet. Well, and we'll do it with the pictures that we take as well. Photopea. Generally, we figured out that it works better than Pixlr because it's a closer approximation to Photoshop. Some of us are a little cranky because it's not as simple, but we're going to get there. So anyway, I thought I'd put together a tutorial on how to do our iPod person with this new tool, and here we go. I wanted to use Iron Man, and just as a reminder on how to find images that are clear images, you want to go to Tools after you've done your image search, and you want to go to Size and Large. That way you are getting nice large images. Ideally, if you can find a photo that's got a white background or a simple background, it will make extracting your figure easier. You don't have to. I mean, you can use the eraser tool and kind of get around a shape like we've seen, but in this case I'm going to do something simple, maybe like this. That doesn't even have a background, so I'm going to get to skip a step. That's okay. So I'm going to save this image. I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm going to make sure it's called something that makes sense. So Iron Man, okay, I can deal with that. We're going to save it. We're going to go over here to Photopea. I'm going to do this X so I can see the whole thing. I'm going to open my file that I just saved, and here is my picture. Very nice. Okay, so first step, we are going to right click on the layer and we're going to duplicate it, and then we're going to shut off this bottom eyeball. It's just like the check marks in Pixlr, so instead of check marks we got eyeballs. So now ordinarily if you had like some background here, you would have to use your magic wand tool to get it out, or you would use your eraser tool to get in here and make it so that you had no background, just like this. So we're going to move on to the next step, which is doing a new layer, and this new layer has to be in the middle like this, and I'm going to do a shape. I'm going to change my shape to white, and I'm going to cover my box. Doesn't have to be exact, it just has to cover it, so that's good. I'm going to go to the top layer now, and this is a little different than Pixlr. You got to go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, and we're going to do the bottom one just like this. Okay. And I think I discovered that in this program we can skip another step, because I believe Photopea actually gives us the ability already to extract this guy. See how it already moves? So now we have less to do. So I'm going to magic wand, and I'm going to do my gradient tool, and I'm going to pick the gradient that I like. I'm going to just go with the standard rainbow, and I think I want to go like from shoulder to leg like this. So that's pretty good. Control D to deselect stuff. Okay. I'm going to go back to my shape, and I want to change it back to black because I'm going to do my headphones and my iPod now. So I'm going to do new layer again, and I've got this pencil tool that I'm going to do. I'm going to change this to maybe 6 is better than 4, I think, and I want to make sure that it's white because we're talking about an iPod. And we start drawing, so we kind of find where the ears are kind of at, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this, I'm going to connect them, go down here, and then draw my iPod with a rectangle. Okay, fill white, draw that iPod kind of like that, and then I'm going to do one last new layer to do my text. So I can do text, I'm going to do white text just to make it kind of simple right now. I'm going to make the size pretty big so I can see it. You can change the font over here if you want. And I'm going to click in here and I'm going to put Iron Man greater than, oh, it doesn't do the greater sign? Oh, yes it does. Iron Man greater than Ipod. Okay. Then I can use this move tool after you've typed your thing, and you can move it where you need to. And now you've got your iPod shadow person. Yay! All explained in less than 6 minutes. So, this is going to help you with your next project, because now in this tool we're going to actually do a whole scene using a background and different characters to make up like a collage type of thing using layers. Alright, good luck. Hope this video helps.